Happy Friday, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Pure Chaos. And I've decided I am not going to be reading from a script because, it sucks when my eyes are doing this the whole time. Anyways, let's begin. Today's episode is about being functional. Everybody's terrified of the drunk sleeping under the bridge, but nobody talks about the alcoholic that still goes to work. The functional one. The guy who still pays the bills, still smiles at his coworkers, still shows up to birthday parties pretending everything is okay. That is what I like to call the danger zone. Because when your life hasn't completely exploded yet, addiction convinces you it's not a real problem. You start measuring yourself against people that are doing worse. Well, I'm not that bad. Classic addict logic. Meanwhile, you're still drinking every single night just to feel normal. Not happy, not excited, just baseline human. And functional alcoholism is creepy. Because from the outside, you can look successful as hell. Believe me, I know, because this was me. Nice vehicle, decent job, family photos online, vacations, but internally, you're hanging together with duct tape and caffeine. People just think you're tired from work, from all your vacations. You're tired because your nervous system hasn't rested in like 5 years. And the scary part is how addiction slowly lowers your standards. At first, you swore to yourself you'd never drink alone. Then suddenly you're having a deep emotional conversation with a bag of Doritos at 2 a.m. watching Yellowstone. Then comes the bargaining. Oh, I'll quit after this weekend. Then after the holiday, God forbid a long weekend. Then it's, after all my stress calms down. Then after one more bottle. And addiction loves one more. One more drink. One more excuse. One more restart date. Turns your entire life into a delayed Monday morning. And that, my friends, is the functional alcoholic. Thanks for listening again this Friday. Hope you all have a great weekend. Stay tuned next week for more real talk, real truth, recovery with no filter. Have a gooder, eh? And functional alcoholics become masters of hiding damage. You'll learn breath mints, fake energy, strategic coffee consumption, and my favorite, a flu. You become a magician. Nobody sees the panic attacks. Nobody sees the shame. Nobody sees you lying awake at 4 a.m. wondering why your body is starting to give out on you. That's the part that people just don't get. You don't have to lose everything for alcohol to be destroying you. Sometimes addiction doesn't take your house. It just steals your peace. Quietly. Daily. And eventually you realize something brutal. You're surviving life, but you're not actually living it. Everything becomes maintenance. Drink enough to feel okay, sleep enough just to function, and hide enough so nobody notices. And repeat. That's not freedom. That's prison with a liquor cabinet. But recovery changes something important. You start feeling again. Not fake dopamine, not numbness, not blackout confidence. Real emotion. And sometimes that sucks. Because suddenly, guilt shows up. Regret shows up. Memories show up. But so does hope. So does clarity. So does waking up without wondering what embarrassing thing you did or you said that night. That's huge. Recovery isn't becoming perfect. It's becoming present again. And honestly, that's a miracle for some of us. To anybody fighting that silent battle tonight, I see you. You are not alone. Thanks for listening, guys. This is pure chaos, real talk, raw truth, and recovery with no fucking filter. Have a great weekend, everyone.